Hey everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll be addressing the sagging roof lining in this VX Commodore. This should be a fairly straightforward video, so let's get into it. Now if you have one of these cars, you'll be no stranger to sagging roof lining. And it's not fun having it touching your head when you're trying to drive. So let's do something about it. So instead of sticking pins in it like most people do, I want it to look a little bit cleaner. So we'll be using some spray adhesive to get the job done. Now both doors are open to give me plenty of ventilation, as that's what the directions recommend. So what I'll do is I'll spray a bunch up there and then let it set. Now the directions do say for porous surfaces, multiple applications may be necessary. So I'll begin by spraying one coat. And I've had to open the other doors because I can't breathe. Now I'll let that sit for a little bit and then reapply another coat. Okay, that's been sitting for about 10 minutes, so I'll apply another coat. Okay, I've let it set and dry again. Now let's apply the last coat. Now I'll start pushing it up. Okay, there's a little bit still hanging down, so I'll apply some more adhesive to make it stick. Okay, I'll put some tension on it and push up. Okay, now I'll tuck the roof liner behind the plastics. So here's the before. After letting it sit for a little bit, this is how it looks now. Sure, it might not be perfect and there's a little bit of creasing in there, but it's much better than before. Okay, that was a fairly simple and inexpensive fix, and it looks much better than having pins going through your roof liner. I have seen some cars where people just staple the roof liner and that looks awful. Now as you can see, someone stapled up this roof liner. Please don't ever do this. But now you've seen this video, you have no excuse. Okay, with all that being said and done, I hope you enjoyed the video and learned just how easy it is to fix a sagging roof liner. Please consider liking and subscribing.